lowest limb off here. It's a 200 plus year old oak, but biggest problem is did some storm damage work in it about a month ago, and upon closer inspection found this great big beam crack from the end. It's an older crack, but we were worried if it failed, the top section breaks off and it would peel out, and then it would start peeling down the base of the tree. So I feel like it's lesser of two evils. That's half of it, and the rest is out there. I like to call that naturalizing. It's my favorite word in the entire English language. It means we don't have to drag shit out of the fucking woods. Yeah, that's the size of it. Chris is just getting ready. Go fish some hangers out. Looking good, buddy. Looking good.
He's been rounding off bolts since the age of 14. Was out of 5/8 or 9/16. He got a metric socket that don't quite fit. A little wiggle, just a little, but it ain't quite stripped. Safety guard's gone from his grinding machine. He got a stiff paintbrush, he only sorta got clean. He's the hired man, my neighbor, and a cousin-in-law. He's a jerry-rigging fool, he got the tool for the job. Well, it's a vice grip or pliers, and pliers for a wrench for a hammer. Hammer's everything else, it just don't seem to make much difference. I sure do like him, but he's hard on equipment. Corners ain't square and his floor ain't level, and he's had a little trouble with the old tape measure. His doors don't close cause the jam ain't plumb, and he's a goddamn menace with the air nail gun. We love to see him coming at the lumberyard store. Fix the leak in his roof with a 2x4. Drills holes in the boards with the wrong kind of bit, and when they don't line up he blames the government. Well, it's a vice grip or pliers, and pliers for a wrench for a hammer. Hammer's everything else, it just don't seem to make much difference. I sure do like him, but he's hard on equipment. He got the whole front yard full of fix-em-up cars. Well, 3 don't run and the rest won't start. Well, everything's fine with his rebuilt motor, except of course for the couple spare washers left over. Better twine tie downs going down the road on 2 ball tires and an oversized load. He ain't never read the manual, cause that's like cheating. He don't mind the grease on his hands while he's eating. Well, it's vice grips or pliers, and pliers for a wrench for a hammer. Hammer's everything else, it just don't seem to make no difference. I sure do like him, but he's hard on equipment. No, it just don't seem to make much difference. I sure like you, son, but you're hard on equipment. Got busted up knuckles, his thumb got